Kavakri Kaur and I'll be your instructor for Python language. So Python is my being forte from the very start. And like you, I was also at a point I was afraid of programming language, but this Python made things easier for me. Like its term, it says this snake, its name is Python. So actually, there was one circus that was going on, and actual writer of the Python found it, and from that person got inspired and named it as Python. Now, one thing that you always hear in whenever you'll be hearing Python language, they'll be saying it is the interpreted language. Now, what do you understand by interpreted language? First, say, don't worry about the syntax and what I'm writing. Just understand what is interpreted language. Along the way, we'll understand the syntax, what is case sensitive. Okay, all right. So now I'm writing hello world. This is first line, right? Now I'm writing second line, and this is line number 1. Then I'm writing print 5 divided by 0. Now I am writing print line number 3. When I click on run, see there is one line that is in red and it is pointing towards 5 divided by 0. 0 division error divided by 0. Why we are getting this error? See, if you notice, first line, this was the first line, right? This was the second line, and this one was the third line, where actually we saw the error. Why we saw the error? Because that's the basic maths rule. We cannot divide by 0, and we were trying to divide by 0. And in programming language, similar maths rule are there. If we are trying to divide by 0 first shot, programming language would say, I cannot divide by 0. You are making a mistake. In error, you can clearly see 0 division error, division by 0 at line number 4. It is even also giving the line number 4 and exact line number 4. But this fifth line is not executed because we saw the error on 4th line. That is what is interpreted. Python runs line by line. It executed first this line and printed the result. It executed this line second, printed the result. And third line, it got the problem. And right away, your program stopped. It didn't move further. So it is asking to correct it first and then only it will allow you to do next line. So interpreted language means line by line, it completes the work and later shows the program completion. There is one more term, compiler. What compiler does is, it runs the entire code in one go, and if any error they found, they show it after completing the entire execution. And in Python we have interpreter. It goes line by line. The moment it found the error, crashes the program and shows you the error. Now, next thing that you hear is Python is a high-level language. High-level language means, if you notice, I have written print here. Print means we are trying to show something, right? In a regular ways also, whenever we are using print word, print means we are going to the print shop and print shop is printing out something for us, right? You give the file and printing shop prints that out in hard form, right? Hard copy. Now here, because of being high level language, its language is also similar to humans. English like statements. That is not tough, easily understandable. For this reason, it is called high-level language. Okay, English language like statements. Now, what are statements? Statements are these. This line is called statement. Second line, statement. Understood? Now, most important aspect, Python is also a programming language. Programming language is a one language. First, say I am speaking in English to communicate my ideas, to make you understand, to express my ideas, right? Programming language is the one language that is used by humans to communicate with the computers. Computers only understands programming language. This programming language has this magical portion. Portion as in real and way if I understand in real analogy, it has inbuilt coding inside it encoded in binary that only computers can understand. And in fact, now you are lucky that you are writing in English statements. But before 1950s, they were writing in assembly language. Assembly languages, you need expertise in one of subject. And Python, anybody can learn. You just need to memorize the syntax. With over the time, you'll be able to memorize. Don't worry. Another thing is Python is a general purpose language. That means all the basic needs that you want. You want to extract the analysis of some data. You can use Python. You would like to develop the website. You can use Python. You need to write the logic. You can use Python. So Python is helping out in each and every way. Even AI is booming, right? AI is incomplete without Python. So that was all about Python introduction. Hope it helped. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.